So today I'm going to show you my St. Cecilia. This is also a discontinued David Austin roses. Let's show you how it looks like when it fully open. You see how rich and gorgeous is this bloom. It's very deep cup, almost like a ball, very ball looking. Inside is jam packed with the petal that is more like an apricot color. It's very packed. This variety is very upright, as you can see. Look at how upright they are. They are all very upright. This is why I like it, because you know, lots of David Austin roses is actually very droopy. It has a very strong myrrh fragrance to it. So if you are not a fan of myrrh, understand. But it's not the smelly type. I promise. I mean, I like it. So I think it's an acquired taste that people will actually enjoy after a while. Let's see. You can see. It's such a beautiful rose, and it actually repeat pretty good for me in the summertime as well. Like I say, it's and also it's a very good cut flower as well, so it actually lasts pretty long as a cut flower. I would say about 4 days. So this is St. Cecilia. Hope you like it.